Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing you the top search keys for iOS 11, 12, and 13. 13.7, the first piece called Instant Launcher 2. System-wide application launcher allows you to display from the device edges to show a launcher of your choice. Next piece called Better Settings, and basically sends your way. Complete customization of the Settings app allows settings colors, cell shape, background image, text color, and more. Next piece is a theme called Wormy 13. And just like SpongeBob Butterfly friend Wormy, iOS icon just got cut up in the midst and ended up under the sea, surrounded by beautiful bubbles. This shoe is called Sana, basically changes the orientation of volume HUD. This shoe is called Escape, a fake incoming call to escape from a pretty embarrassing moment. This shoe is called Safari Downloader Plus, basically nifty extension running from the ground up using Swift to fuse 3 applications in one package for a fraction of the combined price. It's a file download manager, video extraction utility for popular video websites like YouTube, Vimeo, Facebook, Instagram, Dailymotion, and more, and media importer. This is called Yobon Pro, and basically swipe up 2 fingers in your springboard or use the Yobon Pro switch and get these features right here. This is called a Pace 2, and basically allows you to customize volume, brightness, and a bunch of toggles, Wi-Fi cellular, orientation lock, VPN for specific apps, directly using its 3D touch menu. So yeah, pretty cool. This is called Transformatic, and basically allows you to quickly translate text. So, you talk to somebody who speaks a different language, or just, then it's a great tweak to have just overall. So this is called TF Did That Say, and see those pesky deleted comments posts without leaving Reddit. So you can basically see the deleted posts on Reddit without leaving the app. This is called Cocoa Top. And basically it's a GUI process viewer, 5 to 10. So it shows you basically of what's using your your GUI. Yes, you can find out a lot by this tweak to see which one using your most power or battery. This is called PokeGo LS GIF, which is basically use PokeGo on the lock screen to GIF. Supports iOS 8 to 13, and yeah, it does. I guess kill some battery since it's moving, but looks pretty cool. This is called TV Lock 13. Built for iOS 13, but probably works for other versions. Gives you an awesome TV turn off animation when you lock your device. This is called Arc, and basically control at your fingertips. So it brings a brand new way to quickly access the actions you use the most. This is called Confirm Pasteboard, and basically confirm before accessing the clipboard. This is called Confirm Packages, and show confirmation pop-ups before installing - removing city packages. Soon added to my Pomelo 2. This is called My Pomelo, and you can set on all the updates and all the city packages and much more. This is called Cydia Packages Updates, and set on the updates on all these Cydia packages. That's on iOS 9 and 10. And the last piece is called Rever UI, and iOS 13 brings a fresh look to your phone by theming your UI. So it covers these aspects and apps such as these. So, hey guys, catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.